Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi!
And this is...
Miles.
And this is time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Rate of the show, where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we got something from...
Singapore!
That's right, it's from Singapore. This is a box from Prima Taste. I'm not exactly sure what's inside, so let's crack it open and find out. What we got in here? Lots of pops. Yeah, here you go, Mimi. You can have these.
Mama, Papa, look!
Whoa, what's this?
This is my favorite time.
What is it?
This is my special thing.
It's your special thing, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This looks to be a lantern, I think. Let's see what else we got in here. Here's some more. Here you go. And here's some more pops. Wow, you're all set. You're going to be popping things all night. Oh, what's in here? I want to open this first because I don't know how easy I'm going to have of putting together a lantern, but we'll see. Ooh, what's this?
What's this?
I don't know. What could it be? Ooh, it's a fancy box, Mimi.
Ooh,
Look at-
it's got a bad rabbit on it.
It does, because this is going to be the year of the rabbit, I believe.
Hop, hop, hop.
I was born in the year of the rabbit. Cool. This is a really neat box. Thank you. We'll have to open that up, but let's try first putting together this. This is a lantern.
I love my lantern.
It's your lantern, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
So my came with him.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Do we have to put it together? Yeah, hold on. Let me try. Oh, very cool.
This is my lantern.
Everything is Mimi's in this house. Wow, that's cool. I like it.
And then make it flashes, but it's not hard light.
Oh, we could put a light in there. Yeah.
Oh,
Cool.
Mama can put it in there.
I'm capable of putting a light in there.
Mama can.
Well, let's see. Yes, of course Mama can. Well, let's put this over here for now. Now this, I know what this is. This is Mooncake. Do you remember when you tried Mooncake with me before? Let's try it again. Ooh. I really like Mooncake. I'm guessing that there's lotus bean and
Yummy
white.
mooncake.
Yeah. You want to try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's so
Let's see. Does this one come with a knife? Sometimes they come with. There it is. Okay. So let's crack this open.
It's the mooncake.
Yeah. Here, let's move this over here now.
Yummy.
Yeah, I knew this. I knew a package was coming. I didn't know it was inside. I hoped. I was hopeful.
It's got a butterfly on it.
It does. Here, let's show the people how neat it is. Here, look out.
Yes. I made the S.
We'll zoom in on it.
You gotta work. Just like I do.
It's a knife. Here, we'll put it just right on here.
I have a.
You want to try?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's take a little piece off. I don't remember if you liked Mooncake, but it's really, if you've never had Mooncake, I highly recommend it. If you have an Asian grocery near you, most likely you'll be able to find it. They come in really ornate tins, and it's very dense. It has like a light, doughy kind of outer layer, and then this really dense paste on the inside. Take a bite. Give it a try.
Yummy.
Yeah. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to try, Miles? You just want to jump on the pops, huh? You want to try some mooncake, Miles? No, thank you. Very nice manners. Yeah, this is my favorite mooncake that I've had yet. Because usually I've had a lot of them.
That one too.
Oh, you don't like it, huh? That's okay. This one has.
Let's have Hello Kitty.
See the center? That's duck egg or salted egg, I think. Yeah. Mmm. It's incredibly rich. This isn't something you could eat like tons of it. This will last for a while. But yeah, this is to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival. And yeah, good stuff. Well, I want to thank the kind folks over at Prima for sending this over. They usually send something nice like this every year, and I really appreciate it. So thank you. And yeah, if you haven't tried mooncake, I recommend it. It's a really neat thing to try if you want to find out more about the history of the Mid-Autumn Festival. You can find all that info on Google. If you look it up on YouTube, you'll find tons of videos all about it, giving you the whole story. So, very cool. All right, well, thank you again. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles and your mooncake. Well, maybe not mooncake every day. It's pretty heavy-duty stuff. But, yeah, have a good one. Bye.